Hello! What is this pile of speaker mics in front of me and that pile collection of radios behind us? The TYT, Anytone, another TYT, another TYT, another Anytone. Guess I could throw a Baofeng into the mix, but you get the idea. And even a Kenwood into the mix. All these speaker mics and all these radios use a Kenwood mic pin configuration. I'll show you a picture of what the Kenwood mic pin configuration is. But so the nice thing about these is no matter what radio you own, or several radios of the same kind, different makes, models, you're not searching for different microphones. There's compatibility here. You know, any one of these mics will work with any one of those radios and vice versa. Thank God the Chinese were smart enough to use a Kenwood 2-pin design. You know, ICOM uses a 2-pin, totally different plug out. Yaesu. Some of the older ones use a 2-pin, some of the newer ones use a 1-pin. Alinco has its own configuration. It's like enough of this stuff will drive you crazy, man. You know, this is about as simple as it gets. Be able to use one mic with a Kenwood style connector on multiple radios. What more could you ask for? Anyways, but I am surprised how many people do not know that all these different radios take that Kenwood mic plug configuration. Hence the reason for this video. So, hopefully you learned something new, or maybe you already learned it. But hey, don't forget to share that information with others, because that's what the ham radio hobby is about. Be safe. Please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification for future videos. Use our Amazon link for any and all purchases. Use our Bridgecomm affiliate link for any amateur radio purchases over there. Maybe even accessories, microphones. And if you want to support this channel, help us keep buying more products to review and getting more great videos out, support us on patreon.com/simplyhamradio73.